The Anti-Discrimination Commission of Queensland has been really proud to be associated with the planning of the beach day out here in Yeppoon. Today was about celebrating human diversity and difference, and that's when we know when real inclusion occurs, is when people come together and meet new people and build relationships and break down some of the stereotypes and mythologies that we have about each other.
Hi, I'm Ben Cook, the Regional Manager of the Anti-Discrimination Commission in the Central Queensland region, and I'm also very happy to have been the chairperson of the Beach Day Out Steering and Planning Committees that's put the Beach Day Out event on today. And what a fabulous event it's been. What a great event to highlight issues like breaking down stereotypes, social inclusion, highlighting access issues for people with a disability. And it's just been a fantastic, great day, seeing smiles on everyone's faces, and we've literally, I think, had hundreds, if not 1,000 or more people down here today just having a wonderfully great time at the Beach Day Out. I hope you've enjoyed your day, and we hope to see you back next year for a bigger and better Beach Day Out.